Welcome to the infrared of me for XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Google application. After that, just click on the on the more icon and then click here into the settings. After that, tap to the Google Assistant and scroll all the way down to the general options, and after that you will see here the Google Assistant, and just to turn off this option you should click once on the switcher, and then to confirm your action click again to turn off. And that's it. That's how to turn off Google Assistant on your XIAOMI device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.